Good morning all of you. Today we are going to see the topic reducing equations to simpler form. In the equations, two side, in the left hand side and right hand side, two side also will be variables. From that we have to find the answer, solution. Okay, reducing equations to simpler form. Solve the linear equation. See the first question. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Here in the LHS and RHS, two sides also having x term. First step, we have to bring the x term to one side and constant to one side. That is numbers one side. X by 2. X by 2. Here having x by 3. This transpose to LHS. Minus x by 3 is equal to. Here having 1 by 4. Here minus 1 by 5 transpose to RHS. This minus 1 by 5 in the RHS will come plus 1 by 5. Now see this. This is fraction. This is fraction. So, you find the LCM of 2 and 3 and LCM of 4 and 5. Okay. 2 and 3, what is the LCM? You know, 6 is the LCM. So, these we have to multiply by 3. 3x. Here you have to multiply by 2. Minus 2x divided by 6 is equal to. Here, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So, 5 multiply by 5 here and multiply by 4 here. 5 plus 4. What is the answer of 3x minus 2x what? 1x. That is x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4. 9 by 20. Okay. We need only x value. This is 6. We know it in the division 6. So, multiply both sides by 6. Multiply both sides by 6. Then, we can get answer here. X is equal to 9 by 20 into x. Reason here, multiply both sides by 6. Okay. Here also one reason. What is the transpose? Transposing x by 3 to LHS and minus 1 by 5 to RHS. Okay. Now, see this, multiply both sides by 6, you can get here x. Here will be 9 by 20 into 6. Now simplify this. 10 2s are 20. 3 2s are 6. So in the division having 10. But in the numerator having 3. So 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. Divided by 10. This is x value. So 27 divided by 10. This is the required equation. This is the required answer. This is required solution. Okay. Required solution. So first we have to bring variable one side to LHS, otherwise RHS. Another one side should be constant. Okay. So x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4 having in the question. So x by 3 bring it to LHS and minus 1 by 5 bring it to RHS. That is transpose. X by 2, this x by 3 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 5 becomes plus 1 by 5. Okay. Then 2 and 3, what is the LCM? 6. So multiply, cross multiplication, you know, 3x minus 2x, okay, is equal to, for 4 and 5, what is the LCM? 20. Cross multiplication, 5 plus 4 Okay, 5 plus 4, what is the answer? 9. In the denominator, 20. 3x minus 2x, what is the answer? X. In the denominator, 6. So multiply both sides by 6. We no need this 6. We need only x value. So multiply both sides by 6. Here will be 6 cancelled. 9 by 20 into 6. Okay. Then simplify this. 3 2s are 6. 10 2s are 20. So now answer 9 3s are 27. In the denominator will be 10. X is equal to 27 divided by 10. This is the required solution. Okay. Next question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. See the question. N by 2 minus 3n divided by 4 plus 5n divided by 6 is equal to 21. Here already having variable in the LHS and number is in the RHS. Okay. We have to simplify this. Okay. We have to bring into simpler form. N by 2 we have n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n divided by 6 is equal to 21. See these three numbers also. So we have to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. You know to find LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Okay. Which is the common multiple for 2, 4, 6? Smallest common multiple. LCM. So 12 is the LCM. In the 12, how many 2s are there? In the 12, how many 2s are there? 6 times. So multiply these by 6. 6n. Then in the 12, how many 4s are there? 3 times. So 3 3s are 9n. Okay. Next, in the 12, how many 6 are there? 2 times. 2 5s are 10 plus 10n is equal to 21. Now 6n minus 9n plus 10n. Okay. These two in the plus are 10n plus 6n. What is the answer? 10n plus 6n. 16n. Okay. 16n minus 9n. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. What is the answer? 7n. 7n divided by 12 is equal to 21. Okay. Now multiply both sides by 12 by 7. Then only this 12 and 7 will cancel. Okay. Multiply both sides by 12 by 7. So now here will be answer n is equal to 21 into 12 by 7. Okay. 12 by 7. Okay. Now here n opposite side 21 into 12 by 7. Now simplify this. 1 7s are 7. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36. Now we got answer n is equal to 36. This is the required solution. This is the required solution. Okay. Understand? How to simplify the equation? Can you understand? N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. We have that only. Okay. Then here variable having LHS and number having RHS. So we have to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Okay. Do carefully. 2, 4 and 6. Find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. 12 is the LCM. So in the 12, how many 2s are there? 6 2. So multiply these numerator by 6. 6n minus. Here, how many 4s are there in the 12? How many 4s? 3 4s. So 3 multiplied by 3n. Okay. So minus 9n plus. In the 12, how many 6 are there? 2 times. So 2 times multiply by 5n, 10n. Now simplify this. 6n plus 10n, 16n minus 9n. What is the answer? Now 7n. In the denominator, what is there? That will be as it is. Okay, by 12 is equal to, in the RHS, 21. Then 2 side also multiply both sides by here. Multiply both sides by, multiply both sides by 12 by 7. 12 by 7. Okay. Then only you can cancel this 12 by 7 in the LHS. Sorry, 7 by 12 in the LHS. Now, simplify this. 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. Then multiply these two. 3 12s are 36. N is equal to 36 is the required solution. Okay. Next question is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. See, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. We have x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Okay, we have. So, first bring it x term to LHS and number to RHS. Okay, what is the variable x? Okay, minus 8x by 3. Minus 8x by 3. Next x term, minus 5x by 2. That bring it to LHS, it will come in plus 5x by 2 is equal to, what is in the RHS? 17 divided by 6. Okay, then here this plus 7 opposite side becomes in minus. Okay, now find the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2. 6 is the LCM. So here we have to multiply by 6. 6x minus, here in the 6, how many 3s are there? 2 times. So 2 8s are 16x. Here how many 2s are there? 3 times. 3 5s are 15x plus 15x. Sign should be correctly. Here minus, here plus. Okay. Then is equal to, here LCM is 6. Okay. 17 will be as it is and 7 multiplied by 6 minus 42. Okay. Then simplify this. 15x plus 6. 15x plus 6. 21x. Okay. 21x minus 16x. 21x minus 16x. What is the answer? 21 minus 16, 5x. 5x divided by 6 is equal to 17 minus 42. 17 minus 42. That means from big number you subtract and big number sign you can put it. 42 minus 17, 25. So minus 25 divided by 6. Okay, then we have to multiply both sides by 6 by 5. Okay, 6 by 5. Here will be cancelled. That is 5 by 6. X is there. Multiply by 6 by 5 only, no? Multiply. Then minus 25 by 6 into 6 by 5. Okay. Now see this 5 cancel. 6 cancel. In the LHS will be x is equal to 6 cancel. 1 5s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Now what is the answer? Minus 5. Don't forget to write minus. So x is equal to minus 5 is the required solution. So x is equal to minus 5 is the required solution. Okay. Understand? This is the required solution. Once again listen. x minus 8x by 3. We are bringing x term to LHS and variable to, constant to RHS. That is numbers to RHS. Minus 8x by 3. Here minus 5x by 2. In the LHS, if you are transposing, plus 5x by 2. Okay, is equal to 17 by 6. This plus 7 transpose to RHS minus 7. Okay, then here we have to find the LCM. For 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So 6x minus 16x plus 2 times, 3 times 3 times 5 is 15x is equal to 17 minus multiply by 6 7. 6 sevens are minus 42. Okay, now simplify this. 6x minus 16x plus 15x. Answer is 5x. In the denominator will be same number 6 is equal to 17 minus 42 is minus 25. In the denominator will be same 6. Then now multiply both sides by 6 by 5. I didn't write that step here. See, multiply both sides by 6 by 5. Okay. Then only we are getting x value. X is equal to now minus 5. Simplify this very carefully. In the numerator, denominator, we have to cancel 6 and 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So here minus sign is there. So x is equal to minus 5. Understand? Thank you, students.